Extended push-ups, often overlooked in the realm of fitness, are a powerhouse exercise that can transform your upper body strength and endurance. When you think about push-ups, you might picture the standard version: hands on the ground, body straight, lowering and raising yourself with each repetition. But extended push-ups take this classic move to a whole new level, engaging more muscles and providing a deeper challenge. The benefits are manifold, and understanding how to perform them correctly can elevate your workout routine significantly. First, let's talk about the benefits. Extended push-ups primarily target the chest, shoulders, and triceps, but they also engage your core and back muscles, creating a full-body workout. By extending your arms further than the traditional push-up position, you increase the range of motion, which means your muscles have to work harder. This increased demand leads to greater muscle activation and, ultimately, more strength gains. Not only do they build muscle, but they also enhance stability and balance. As you push yourself up and down, your body learns to stabilize itself, which translates to better performance in other exercises and daily activities. Moreover, extended push-ups can improve your cardiovascular health. When performed in higher repetitions or as part of a circuit, they elevate your heart rate, providing a solid cardiovascular workout. This dual benefit of strength and cardio makes them an efficient choice for those short on time. You can incorporate them into a high-intensity interval training session, alternating between extended push-ups and other exercises to keep your heart pumping and muscles working. Now, how do you do them? Start in a standard push-up position, but instead of placing your hands directly under your shoulders, move them slightly forward. Your arms should be extended, creating a longer lever. This position will feel different, and it might take some time to adjust. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core to prevent sagging or arching your back. As you lower yourself, aim to go deeper than a standard push-up, allowing your chest to dip closer to the ground. Push back up with control, focusing on your form rather than speed. It's essential to breathe steadily throughout the movement. Inhale as you lower, and exhale as you push up. Start with a few repetitions, and gradually increase as your strength improves. You can also modify the exercise by performing it on your knees or against a wall if you're just beginning. The key is to maintain proper form and listen to your body. With consistency, you'll find that extended push-ups not only enhance your strength, but also boost your confidence, proving that sometimes pushing your limits can lead to incredible results.